Okay, so long story short, long time ago, people say I used to look like Selena Gomez, and then I took a Facebook quiz, and they said I look like Selena Gomez. So here we are, following a JBunzie makeup tutorial on how to turn myself into Selena Gomez. Now, JBunzie applied her foundation off camera, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And right now, we're gonna be using an eyeshadow primer because she says that's a perfect way to, I guess, blend out your smoky eye look. So we're gonna do exactly what she says. I'm very curious how this is going to turn out. I'm really excited because, you know, I never saw myself like Selena Gomez, but everyone kept telling me that. So, yeah, I'm going to, you know, turn myself to Selena Gomez. Now, applying a white eyeshadow, we're going to go ahead and put that onto our eyelid so that way the blending could be, you know, pretty easy. Now we're going to be using the tape technique. For those of you who don't know the tape technique, you align the end of your brow to the end of your eye area, so that's what we're doing. But for whatever reason, I don't know why she's using the tape technique after she applied foundation, but whatever. I'm just going to go ahead and go along with it, I guess, you know. Next, she's using like a taupe shade eyeshadow to apply to her crease area, so that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm also going to be trying to use the exact same brushes she uses. Well, not the same ones, but you know, a replica of it, I guess you can say. So we're using a fluffy brush for this step. Next, applying a brown shade, we're going to go ahead and, you know, apply that right into the crease as well, blending it in with that taupe shade. Now, she seems to be going light-handed, however, she's really not. I'm assuming maybe it's just her lighting. So I'm just going to go ahead and follow my steps. I'm trying to make this as easy-handed as possible, but I guess my palette is just a little too pigmented. I'm using the Logix Pro palette if you guys are wondering what, you know, palette I'm using. So yeah. So next she goes into a black, and she's applying it to her lid. Now at first, like when I was watching it in person, it kind of looked like she was going, you know, easy-handed, so that's what I was doing. So, but for whatever reason, I didn't like the way how it was looking. So I continued to watch it, and next thing you know, I saw her. And you know what? Let's just wait till we see the video again. Okay, so it's showing her now applying a wing with that black shadow. And that's exactly what I'm doing. And like I said, it looked like she was going easy-handed at first, but that black looks kind of pigmented. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little more black. I was trying to go easy-handed, but it just didn't look right. So I went ahead and add more black. Right now she's blending in more brown. I guess because, you know, you lose intensity after adding the black. So that's what I'm doing. Now as you can see, it's looking kind of harsh at the edges. Don't worry about that. If it's looking harsh, all you have to do is grab a white or a cream shadow and blend out the edges very lightly with a clean blending brush. It can easily smooth out, so don't worry if you're looking too harsh. Now adding more black, you're going to go ahead and blend that right on top of the brown to give it an easier blend. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And then just be sure to blend in between the black and the brown together as well. And then of course she adds more brown at the outer edges only, and then blend it to the crease. So that's what I'm going to do. First I blend it to the outer edges, and then slowly I bring it back into the crease. Next, using a gel liner, she went ahead and aligned her eyelid, but she did not do a wing. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm surprised she's not using any more shadows. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my lash line area, even my waterline, to, I guess, bring more definition and smokiness to my eye. Go ahead and remove that tape and look at that sharpness. Next, using that same brown color, we're going to go ahead and smoke out our lower lash line. And yeah, no lie, I'm actually digging this eye look. I love a good smoky eye, and it just looks amazing. And of course, using more black shadow, we're going to go ahead and apply that a little, well, basically on top of the gel liner, so it's not as visible. So that's exactly what I'm doing. No lie, my eye looks pretty blended. So I'm pretty, you know, satisfied with how this eye look is coming out. Next, using a highlighter, we're going to go ahead and apply that to the inner corners, just how she does it. very gentle and subtle. You don't want it to be blinding because it is a smoky eye after all. So that's exactly what I did. Now guys, I am not going to cut my hair for this tutorial. I do not have a wig, but I will be applying bangs at the end of the video. But let me warn you, it's not so pretty. So she went ahead and applied some false lashes. I went ahead and did the same. I got the natural looking lashes I own. And then she went ahead and applied some mascara. So that's what I'm going to do, apply mascara to the top and bottom lashes. You know, because you don't want to look fake. Loving the look, looking fierce. So I would do my eyebrow tutorial link down below. However, her brows are a little different. She went ahead and applied it lower than she normally does because that's how Selena Gomez's eyebrows are. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. I'll be right back. Now that my eyebrows are done, I'm actually living for the look. I would not do my eyebrows like this again, but I like the shade brown she used. We used brown instead of black. So Selena Gomez has these natural shadows by her nose, brow area. So we're going to go ahead and copy that. Just go ahead and grab a bronzer or contour powder and, you know, go ahead and blend that around your nose. And being a bad YouTuber, I went ahead and blocked my view. But you guys saw how it was done. It's pretty easy. So next we're going to go ahead and focus on the face. Selena Gomez has chubby cheeks, sort of, like cute little chubby cheeks. So we're going to go ahead and give her a natural baby doll looking face by adding cotton balls. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. To be honest, now that I look back at it, I don't even think I need it because I do have a natural face. But this is for her cheeks because she does have rounder cheeks than I do. And then she went ahead and applied it to the top of her lip as well. So that's exactly what I did. To be honest, I really don't think I needed it for my lips, but I'm trying to copy the tutorial as much as possible. But yeah, I don't think I need it for the lips, but I did it anyways. Next up, she went ahead and used a Too Faced lip injection. Now this, I know for a fact, I don't need it. So yeah, not that I have the biggest lips, but I think our lips are pretty similar. So she's applying concealer towards her nose, around her cheeks and lips area. She went ahead and applied it to her chin, her jawline, and even by her cut crease area. Well, not cut crease, her shadow, her wing area. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and apply to those exact areas to give me the, I guess, the same shape, face appearance Selena Gomez has. And I would not go back to my fingers, guys. You cannot make me do it. I would not go back. I would never go back to blending with my fingers. So I went ahead and used a beauty sponge for this step because I won't do it. Next, she does have bronzer on her cheeks, so we're going to go ahead and apply a good amount of bronzer to the cheeks, making sure it's easily blended. I'm going to go ahead and, you know, make sure everything's nice and smooth. She went ahead and applied more concealer to the top of her cheekbones area where you highlight. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. And she blended with her fingers, of course. I'm not doing that, so I'm blending with my sponge. Next, she's going to go ahead and outline using like a natural lip color liner thing. So she went ahead and do that. And she did like a little rainbow around her cupid's bow area. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then she applied a nude lipstick. So I'm using the e.l.f. liquid lipstick in the color Mauvelous because that's the like similar color I have. And then I went ahead and used what is it, the Revlon Ultra HD matte lip color in Seduction to put it on top. Now it appears to be glossy, but don't worry, it does dry down little by little, especially if you blot it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that later. Right now she's contouring her nose, and I find that weird because why did she do that when she was applying the bronzer? That's what I don't get, but you know, whatever. It doesn't make sense to me. I'm just going to go ahead and follow along. She applied it not exactly at the edges of her nose, but she puts it at the sides because Selena Gomez does sort of have a small wide appearance. So that's what I'm going to do. And then she went ahead and applied some gold highlighter instead of a pearl highlighter, I guess for the music video purposes. And yeah, this is my complete look with my fake bangs. For one, I think the bangs are killing it. Yeah, I tried getting the similar look as possible. I honestly don't see you know, similarities between me and Selena Gomez that everyone said that, but maybe it's the bangs that's killing it. Yeah, that's probably exactly what it is. Don't get me wrong, I love the eyeshadow look. I love the lip colors, the lip liner. Not the shape of it, obviously, because it's overdrawn, whatever. But yeah, not feeling it. So of course, just like how I did with Poison Ivy, I went ahead and used an app to give me similar bangs to Selena Gomez to see a virtual similarity. But I still don't see it. You guys tell me what you think about it, because I just don't see it. I honestly don't. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at S2H_plus. So yeah. And of course, if you haven't entered the giveaway, there will be 2 giveaway winners with 2 prizes. Yes, you both get a prize. You both get 2 prizes. One of them is the AOA Studio Oval Brush 5-piece set, and the other one is the Equate Beauty Foldable LED Mirror. So yeah, you tell me what you think about this whole face appearance, because like I said, I just don't see it. But you know what? Like I said, I'm living for the shadows. I don't know. Maybe it's these bangs start killing it. I tried fixing it as much as possible, but yeah. It's maybe a little too not sleek. So yeah, I just don't see it. I honestly don't. I don't know what people were talking about, saying that I look like Selena Gomez. Maybe it was just me back then, but you tell me what you think about this whole look, because yeah, I think they lied to me. Facebook lied to me, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and continue on with my life, because I am obviously my own person. I tried, you guys. I tried, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this whole makeup off. I'm gonna go on about my day. I'm gonna redo my makeup, but you know what? I'm leaving the eyes and the brows because they look gorgeous regardless. So I guess that's it for now. I will see you guys next time. Let's continue on with this video with the Bible verse of the day. See you guys next time. Bye, hotties.